In this lesson, we will discuss how to display a hard drive and a pen drive on a Mac desktop. As you can see, my desktop is clean. Nothing is displayed on the desktop. To do this, click on Finder and then Settings. There are several types of devices listed below, including hard drives, external disks such as pen drives, external hard drives, portable hard drives, CDs, DVDs, and iPods. When you click the checkbox for hard disks, it will appear on your Mac desktop, and the hard disk is called Macintosh HD. If you wish to display a pen drive, you must insert it first. Then click on External Disks. It will then appear on the desktop. I am renaming the pen drive for your convenience. If you uncheck the box for the hard drive, it will disappear from your Mac desktop and the pen drive as well. If you like, then subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.